Hello everybody, and welcome to week 2. That'll go from October 13th to October 19th. And let's go. This is the overview video. The objectives and the outcomes are here. The video you're watching right now you found there. The Townsend Press, there are 2 assignments. You're going to do Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. And remember, you'll come over here and click on Townsend Learning, and that will take you in to Townsend Press. If you click on here, it will show you what's due and when. So you'll have to do the exercises, the master test, and alternate master test 1 and 2. Now remember, you'll get feedback on all of them. If you don't get feedback, what's the point of doing it? To me, it's just busy work. And the exercises, again, you can complete them over and over and over till you get 100. That will help your overall score. Okay, let's go out of here. Let's go down to the reading and grammar quizzes. Here they are. Again, everything you need is embedded, MLA, from 3 videos. Obviously, embedded within it will be the 3 videos that you need. I don't want you going to have to look other places for it. I like to keep everything neat and tidy. So watch the videos, open the quiz. Again, my quizzes aren't timed, so if you want to open the quiz first and then look at the videos, go for it. That's fine. Again, these are low-stake quizzes. I just really want you to know what's going on. I'm not trying to be punitive at all. Okay, excuse me. I just want you to learn from these. Come on, computer. All right, then here when you do the rap and the ice, rap is how to create a paraphrase based on a direct quote. You're not allowed to use paraphrasing in my class anymore. It's just a big, huge sign for AI usage. So I don't want it at all. If you do use it, you're going to get a 0 because it's probably AI, and or I will make you prove your work, which I'll talk about in a second. So then your cage bird quiz here. The discussion board is going to have its own video because I want to go in depth there. So the discussion board prompt, everything you need to complete the discussion board is here, which we'll go over again in another video. How to locate my feedback for the discussion board prompt. Watch the video, it will show you where to go. And then editing symbols. I use editing symbols because I grade so much that I have to keep moving. So if you see alpha, you need alphabetical order. Awkward, the sentence was incomplete, or it's probably a fragment. BF, be formal, don't use a you in my class at all. Don't use generic we. You'll see that as you go through. And here they are, okay? So you can take a look at those. Okay, AI usage. Now the AI usage that I use 2 that the school doesn't supply because the schools is not good at all. So if you have AI, it's a 0. There is no rewrite for it. Also understand that the AI detectors will pick up translations, Grammarly rewrite tool, Grammarly AI, language translators. I had one student who got 100% AI. She goes, teacher, but I wrote it. I said, well, no, every sentence showed up as 100%. My AI detectors will tell me exactly the sentences that are 100% AI, 98%, etc. But then she finally admitted that she wrote it in Spanish and then had a translator do it in English. You can't do that. I will be picking those up. Yes, some students will be able to get around my detectors, but cheating, really? If you have a good teacher like me, yes, excellent. Work with me, meet with me on Zoom. I'm here to help you become a better writer. So some of you already write well, but I can just help you touch up some stuff. All right, I don't think I'm the best writer in the world. That's what I'm trying to say. So look at this. Okay, please don't use AI. It is so frustrating to me as a teacher that you want to cheat, and there are people who don't have an opportunity to go to school, and then other people who are, and then they just throw it away. I get it. I was in my 20s one time. I had stuff to figure out as well. All right, and then the next point. Next is proof of written work. So periodically, if I'm reading something and it gets flagged, or I'm reading and I'm thinking, ooh, something's not right here, I will ask you to meet me on Zoom, and you will have to show me your sources. So let's say that you quoted from the 1969 copy of I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. When we meet on Zoom, you have to show me that book, and then you have to show me, let's say you quoted from page 17. You have to show me the book, the 1969 stamp that's inside the cover, and then you have to show me the quote that you used on page 17. If you can't, if it doesn't match, it's a 0. I don't care if you put 1969 page 18. If you quoted the wrong page, it's a 0. I'm really trying to cut down on the cheating in the course. So have your proof of work, always have that. And while I'm talking about this, have if you use an article for your research paper or later on, use full text articles and keep them on file. That way you have the proof ready to go when we meet on Zoom. All right, everybody. So that is the overview for the class. Remember, Townsend Press, all the grammar quizzes, everything is due the 19th. The discussion board, the initial post will be due Wednesday the 15th, and then you'll have all of your other posts due by October 19th. All right, everybody, I'm going to go to the next video. Make sure you're watching these videos. They will really help you a lot. Take care. Thank you. Bye.